Here I have LENOVO Tab 4.8 and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the display section and then to the wallpaper. You can select one of the pre-installed wallpapers. As you can see, you have this mountain-like landscapes, but you can also just go to the gallery and select any other image that you can download from the internet, or just take it with your camera and set it as wallpaper. So let's select an image. Here you can adjust this image and then tap set wallpaper. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.